It's harder to burn out because rust never sleeps. The king is gone, but he's not forgotten. What's up, guys? I decided to pull the tank off the Moto Guzzi. Found, I actually think I might have committed a gearhead felony. I left gas in it for 14 years, which turned some pretty good rust on it. But I did find, I think this stupid thing focusing. I don't know if you can see it. Red coat. O'Reilly's has this, and it's, let me turn the surface pressure off. It's about $25 a quart, which is comparable to online stuff. This is what I used to clean it out with. I had some of this. If you can't find this to clean your rust, this is basically the same thing. What you want to look for is hydrochloric. That's what you want to look for on anything clean out rust in gas tanks. It actually works to clean off rust off any metal. But hoping to get that thing dried out tonight. I cleaned it with soapy water twice. Used fantastic type product once. Soapy water again. Used the works. Then I used some little bit of the evapor rust just to make sure. Which they say that stuff's reusable, but I don't. I just toss it when I get done with it. It's not that expensive to risk ruining a whole gallon by putting crap back in your tank, back in your bottle. Well, I'm just going to try to keep this under 5 minutes. Look like I'm doing pretty good. I do have a quick sneak preview. Get ready. Alright, that's all you're getting. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.